Good afternoon and happy Sunday to everyone. So just now my daughter just finished her online class, so now it's 12:30. So now I need to make our lunch. So today I'm gonna make a chicken afritada. So just me and my daughter today at home because my husband went back to the office, because they're allowed to come at least 50% of the employee. So now he's gone back to the office. So anyway, for the ingredients that we'll be using for the afritada are, we will be using a potato. I have cut into chunk. This is 2 potatoes and 1 carrot. I have only 1 carrot. And we'll be needing sausage as well. So I have here 4 of this, and I have a frozen chickpeas. If you have fresh one, that was better, but I have only frozen one. And I have here garlic chopped, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, but I'm gonna use 1 tomato, and I'm also gonna mix also a tomato sauce. And then 1 chop of medium size of onion. And of course, we will be needing a chicken. This is pieces of chicken, different parts of chicken. So because I have bought whole piece of chicken, like 1,200 grams that I have cut into this. So now I have marinated this with lemon and salt. So first we have to saute our chicken until slightly brown. So I have put here olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any cooking oil you have at home. Now this is heated up. So now we have to put our chicken in. Actually, for my chicken, I have removed the skin because actually we don't eat skin. So if you want skin, you can leave the skin on. So now we have to brown the chicken first. So now we have to remove the chicken. So we can cook our onion, garlic, and tomato. So this have to be removed. And now in the same pan, in the same oil, we have to use to saute our onion and garlic and tomato. First, we have to put our garlic. You have to saute this for a few seconds. And then we can put our onion. And we'll saute until it gets translucent, so like golden brown. Change the color of the onion. And now we can put our tomato. We just cook the tomato until it's becoming soft. Okay, so now this is soft now. We can put our chicken in, back in. And now we can put our tomato sauce. And I don't put all, so maybe 3 heap tablespoon of tomato sauce. This is enough. I'm not putting on because I already have fresh tomato. I don't have to put so much. And I just saute this for 1 minute, and then we can add our water in here. So in here we can add water as per our requirement, and I'm gonna add also 1 chicken cube. Just dump it there, and then we can add water. So I'm adding water. I'm adding water, just about 3 cups of water. So now let's just simmer this like for about 5 minutes. Now we'll check the chicken. And now we can add our vegetables and sausage. So I have here potato, carrots, and sausage. Okay, so we just have to cover this again, simmer until the vegetables get soft. So now our vegetables is already cooked, and now we have to put our green peas. The reason why I did not put all together with the other vegetables, because this one, it doesn't take time to cook. Like 1 minute, this is done. So I just have to put it like this. Even in the microwave, if you put it in the microwave with water, like for 1 minute, it gets cooked. This because this is not the fresh one actually. Maybe it's already pre-cooked. I'm not sure, but yeah, it doesn't take time to cook. So now let's just simmer this for another 1 minute. And now this is ready. This is okay now. This is perfect. So now let's just taste. If salt is okay. Yeah, it's good to go. So I have put here just one Maggi chicken cubes. That's it. So now it's done, guys. So let's have our lunch. So today this is the recipe that I could able to share with you all, guys. So I hope you liked it. So until to my next one, bye and happy Sunday.